Danielle from Life is a Party, and I'm really excited to show this really cute bunny banner I made with my Cricut. I'm going to show you how to make it today. I have a free cut file available over on the blog lifeisaparty.ca, or if you don't have a cutting machine, there's also a PDF, and this would not be too difficult to cut out by hand. I'm also going to show you how I used it in this setup for our kids' Easter table.
Let's make our bunny banner. So you're going to start with a empty new canvas in Cricut Design Space, and you're going to upload the free SVG. So just click on upload, upload image, browse, and then find the file on your computer. It's the bunny banner Life is a Party SVG. Click on it to open. And then hit upload. We're going to click on it and say add to canvas. Once you add the SVG file to your canvas through the upload, the first thing you're going to want to do is ungroup it. Then I'm just going to move the glasses off to the side a little bit. Now I want to select the face, and you can see here in the layers panel that these are all selected, and I'm going to change the operation from basic cut to pen because I want to use a marker to draw the face on. Then I'm going to use my shift key and select the bunny's head and the face together, and then attach them. Once this is done, you need to decide how many bunnies you would like in your banner. I did 5 for mine, so I'm going to select the bunny and duplicate this by pushing the duplicate button. And I'm going to do this 5 times. And for mine, I'm going to do 2 bunnies with the glasses. So I've got one pink pair here. I'm going to duplicate it one more time with my duplicate button. And this second one, I'm going to change the color to blue and cut it out of blue cardstock. So I'll have one pink and one blue. You could use any colors you want. You can have them all with glasses or none with glasses, whatever you prefer. Once you have them all duplicated to create as many as you would like, you don't have to arrange them on the canvas or anything. Cricut will do that all for you, so you can just hit the Make It button. You can see all the bunnies are on one 12 by 12 here. I'm actually using letter size cardstock. So I'm going to change that matte to letter size, and then it's going to shift them and cut them out on 2, which is totally fine. And then my 2 different glasses are on one. I'm going to shift that and cut out 2 colors on one canvas. So to do that, you select the object and click these 3 little buttons, 3 little dots, and choose move. I'm going to move it to the pink canvas. And then when I position my paper, I'm going to put the pink at the top and the blue at the bottom so I can cut them both out at once. Now we're ready to choose our base material. I'm going to cut the banner out of heavy white cardstock, and I usually set the pressure for more. And you can see here it's going to ask for the black pen, so I'm going to use a marker to add the faces and then the regular fine point blade. When it's time to load your mat for the glasses, we're going to put the pink in the top corner of our cutting mat. and then put the blue or whatever colors you're using, but put the blue one down in the bottom. And that way we can do both cuts at once and save a little bit of time. The way the Cricut marker adds the face to the bunnies, the little eyes won't be solid. So if you want them solid like I do, you can just add a few strokes and color them in with your markers. I'm just using the same one that I used to draw the face, so it'll match perfectly. Next, I'm going to add some of the glasses to a few of my bunnies, and it's totally personal preference. You could do them all with the glasses, you could do none with the glasses, or like I'm doing, you could just do a few. I think I need a new glue stick, but this will work for this tiny amount of glue. So I'm just putting some sort of around the edges. And then you want to position it so the eyes are near the tops of the frames. And there's one of our little hipster bunnies. Now I'm going to do the pink. I also think black would be really cute for the glasses. Or you could do them all different pastel colors. And I like white for the bunnies, but you could of course do those any colors you like as well. You could do different pastels, you could do grays, blacks, anything. So now we're ready to make these into a little banner. And there's a few different ways you could do it. I'm going to use some yarn to string my banner. So I'll just cut myself a length of yarn, and then depending how you want yours to look, there's a few different ways you could attach them with the yarn. So one way would be to use a small piece of tape on the back and just tape the yarn to the back just below where the ears are. And that would be a cute way to hang it. Another way is to use a hole punch and add holes to the top of the ears, which I think actually is what I'm going to do for this one. And I'm using a regular size hole punch for this one because I'm using yarn to string it. But you could also use a tiny hole punch and use something like baker's twine or embroidery floss and a darning needle to get through the small holes. Let me just show you what I mean. This hole punch that I have is like a little micro hole punch, so you could do something like that. Or you could add the holes to the Cricut design by adding circles to the tops of the ears and using the slice feature. I didn't want to include the holes on the SVG in case you prefer the look of them taped to the back. So this way you have some different options.
Here is our finished little banner. It looks so cute. It's perfect for our kids' Easter table. We've also paired it with our Easter treat boxes, and I love how it all came together. Easy and adorable. This little banner was so much fun to put together. Remember, you can get the free cut file or PDF by subscribing to my blog, lifeisaparty.ca, and don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube as well for notification of lots more fun Cricut projects.